Hi, my name is Stephen Von Blackman. I am CEO and founder of diip. diip is the ultimate food and beverage mobile pay app. It allows you to automatically check in or dip out of a restaurant or bar by paying via the app. It saves you the arduous task of opening the tab at a busy bar or busy restaurant, waiting for your bill, receiving your bill, paying for your bill, splitting your tab, receiving change, going through that full task. It allows you to save time to easily enter and leave a location when you're done eating or done drinking with friends or family. Let me check into the app for you. This is diip. diip is a GPS-based app that allows you to dip in to a location by simply clicking on the restaurant. You've arrived at the restaurant. You can either start a tab and dip in, or not start a tab if you clicked on the wrong restaurant, for example. I'll just do that for show. Check back in, and let's go to Black Swan, which is a restaurant, and start a tab. Now, diip has created a diip pin, which is a 4-digit code that automatically changes every time one of our users dips into a location. Every time, all the time. As a security feature, you'll always have a new code when you go to a bar or restaurant. This saves the user the peace of mind to allow them to know that they're safe and secure when they go to a restaurant, a crowded bar, and feel safe when they're using diip. We want to create an environment of ease and security. So our diip pin is 9726, and this is, again, a patent pending process that we have. So let's dip in. So on the left-hand side, I've created just a basic POS system. So I'm going to act as a patron on the right-hand side and a waiter or a waitress on the left-hand side. So I'm going to create my own tab here. I'm going to dip in. So here I have some food options that I'll click on. I'll just start adding some items to our tab here. Just randomly for show here. So scroll up where our tab is. Okay. The great thing about this is, in real time, via an API feed to a POS system that we are in current discussions with, the top 3 POS systems, you can, in real time, check your detail tab, which is your current ongoing tab. So if you're out on business and you open a tab at a bar or even at a restaurant, you can check what's being purchased. So say, for example, you're out with a group of friends or out with business partners. You can automatically check out or dip out here. Now with this feature, it takes you to your bill, your grand total bill. Gives you some options here. It has everything you've ordered, your subtotal, and your tip amount, 15, 18, or 20%. You'll be emailed this bill upon completion to your account. Also, it will live within your app, which I'll show you later. So let's close out. Now with diip, we've created a great experience for your user. Also, your service and your rating system that we've created for the bar or restaurant that allows you or allows our user to rate the service in real time. Anything below a 3-star rating gets a pop-up box that you can enter text to say why that experience could have been better or make some recommendations or any complaints. And then in real time, this is fed to the manager on duty that can remedy that situation if possible. So I know who that person is, maybe a point of contact. They can reach out to that person on duty or a future date. So let's submit your review. We've been able to partner with Uber and also a relationship with Mothers Against Drunk Driving, where if we see you've had a certain amount to drink in that night, we recommend you take a cab, take an Uber, and we'll even give you 50% off for that first time. We also have another feature here in our phase 2 option where we recommend different locations you can go to throughout the night. If you want to party like it's 1999, would you want to have a great dessert? Would you like to have another cocktail somewhere else? And we'll actually recommend locations for you to go. And if there is a certain mile radius away from your current location, we'll also recommend an Uber. We'll also give you how much that Uber ride will cost before you're actually taken to the physical Uber app with the discount calculated in if necessary. So you can just click on new destination here and take you back to the home screen. Let me just walk you through some of the menu features that we have. So tab option, so pretty much if you put your phone away in your pocket, pull it back out, click on tab, you can see that current open running tab. Payment option, this is where you add your payments. For example, you can take a photo of your card, etc. Cancel. Back to menu. History, you can actually go through and open up previous bills that you've had. Dip discounts, dip promos. So this is for loyalty points, any type of customer redemption, anything a restaurant or a bar may be offering, we'll provide those through the app as well. Also have notifications. So in the phase 2 of Dip as well, we're going to have user pop-ins. So user pop-up notifications say your friend checked into X location, how many of your friends are at these locations throughout the night or throughout the use of Dip. So you can see what your friends are doing. And then we have settings, basic help, about, log out. Very simple, very straightforward. Let me walk you through the quick tutorial page that we have set up here. Very basic, create your account, payment setup, open a tab, the location, start a tab, your bill so far. Very simple, very straightforward, very compact, very easy to use. Another feature that we do have is if you've walked away or left the bar or restaurant and you forgot to dip out, we'll remind you, we'll ping you, say, hey, you left. You have X amount of time before we automatically check you out. Very simple, very straightforward, very easy to use, very user-friendly. And again, this is Dip, and I'm Stephen Von Blackman, CEO of Dip. Thank you very much.